It's my pleasure to introduce our next eminent speaker, Mr. Rahul Chopra, CEO, Boards and Panels, Everest Industries. An economic graduate, Mr. Rahul Chopra has been a part of Everest since 1987. In his journey of 33 years, he has brought innovation and transformation in the progressing the building product repository of Everest Industries. Spanning rural and urban market, Mr. Chopra brings leadership skills across diverse strengths in business operations, marketing activations, brand building, and handling large sales force. His expertise in rural marketing redefined customer perceptions to pave the path and demand for Everest aesthetic building solutions with high performance parameters. A firm believer in sustainability as a way of life, Mr. Chopra frequently engages with architectural fraternity to gauge needs of contemporary green design. His in-depth knowledge and understanding of the industry have fortified Everest's capabilities in delivering state-of-the-art solutions that reimagine the world of design and construction. He'll be speaking on the topic Reimagine. With Reimagine as the core ethos, Everest is reimagining the world of design and construction with materials that includes boards, panels, which can be used for cladding, walls, ceiling, and floors. In turn, they are helping architects and interior designers achieve their vision with solving problems created by traditional wood-based panels. So I'll hand it over to Mr. Rahul to help us reimagine. Over to you, Mr. Rahul.
Thank you, Indrajit. I'd now like to share a short presentation with you. India's growth and development has been significant and rapid. Contemporary contexts need contemporary solutions, for which we need to reimagine materials. As a new age building product that addresses the concerns of the modern architect. Everest boards, reimagine. That's the new theme and concept being introduced by us. By using Everest boards and panels, you can reimagine aesthetics. You can get the luxury of wood without cutting down trees with artwood. You can get the sophistication of stone without quarrying with art stone. You can get the flexibility of finishes, whether it is digital printing, staining, wallpaper, paint, tiling, marble. You can have any kind of finish that you require on Everest fiber cement boards. You can reimagine functionality. You can build lighter with approximately 25% lower weight. You can build 4 times faster. You can build sturdier with superior attributes. These products are weather resistant, termite proof, fire resistant, moisture resistant, impact resistant, and ensure easy workability. Besides, they are all green certified. You can build diverse solutions. You can reimagine sustainability with this lightweight product which reduces structural cost and wastage. It has a recycled content and uses fly ash. It is eco-friendly, a substitute for brick, sand, and timber products. Uses regional materials available across the country. By using drywall techniques, you can conserve water. You can enhance your strength, which minimizes the cost of maintenance. It provides superior attributes and optimizes building life cycles and ensures occupant comfort. It allows you to reduce operating costs, wastage, and energy demand. This allows for high amount of energy efficiency. You save the environment, you save water resources, you save on topsoil erosion, and you can earn up to 4 lead points and 23 Griha points. It lets you optimize the building life cycle and occupant comfort. You can reimagine your projects using this new age and new generation building products. And just to give you a few glimpses of some of the projects we've done, this is the W by Marriott in Goa. Extensively, our boards have been used, our cement wood planks have been used, and you can see the front of the villas and this false ceiling under the roof has been done with Everest cement wood planks. Again, here you can see the use of artwood under the false ceiling. On the gable wall and under the false ceiling, you can see artwood. Artwood extensively used on the ceiling and on the top portion of the wall. Again, an artwood wall behind the bed headrest. Artwood extensively used again here. Again, the ceiling has been made using artwood. This office has been constructed using our cement wood planks and artwood range. Again, you can see the wood panels across the gable wall and the wall of this cottage. The Machan in Lonavala, underdeck insulation, flooring, partitions, all made out of Everest heavy duty boards, used for wall partitions in the raw form, roof tile underlay. This project in Ahmedabad used our board for a very unique application. They were used for louvers and mechanized louvers, which would adjust based on the lighting and temperature requirements of the building. You can see these louvers, they move. You can make beautiful jalis out of Everest fiber cement boards. The added advantage is both sides look beautiful. One side is not rough and unfinished. Here, the boards have been digitally printed and stained. You can see you can create works of art by using Everest heavy duty boards. Everest Art Stone used for external cladding. This is an international project where it has been used for external cladding. Artwood used for external cladding. Now, this is a bakery in Kerala where artwood has been used in the exterior. Can be used for internal wall lining or internal partitions. Can be used for external facades. Everest heavy duty boards used for external and internal cladding, ceiling, and double height walls. This particular picture is of a hotel in Calcutta called the Swiss Hotel, where the boards were used in the raw gray form and pieces of art were juxtaposed on it to give it a beautiful look. Here, heavy duty boards have been used for the facade and rendering being done on top of it. Everest heavy duty boards were used in the Novotel for wet area lining. Here for external cladding. Here, Everest heavy duty boards were used for dry walls. Here they were used for balcony ceilings, again exposed wet areas. This is a famous building in Kuwait called the Al Hamra Towers. Three sides of this building was cladded in glass and one side was in Everest heavy duty boards. Gentlemen or ladies and gentlemen, the best way to predict the future is to create it. We are all here and are going to be the creators of the future, and let's look how we can create a better future for design, for functionality, and for sustainability. And another important aspect for the environment too. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, sir. This was superb, and you really made me think and really made me reimagine. And I'm sure, like now, the audience is also reimagining many things without like using traditional material or wood, like, and still create beautiful structures. For the audience specifically, if you want to know more, you can like connect with Mr. Rahul Chopra. He has logged in, and simultaneously you can visit the Everest booth in the booth section. There you can have more details about it. Thank you so much.